In this video, I'll be showing you how to subtract fractions with unlike denominators. The first thing we need to make sure of is that they have a common denominator before we start the subtraction. In this example, we have 5 and 15. To find the common denominator, we will write sequence of numbers and see if any of them matches. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 4 is 20. For 15, 15 times 1 is 15, 15 times 2 is 30, 15 times 3 is 45, 15 times 4 is 60. We can stop as soon as we find a common denominator. In this case, 15 and 15 here, they both match. To solve this equation, the denominator needs to be 15 for both. So for the first fraction, 8 over 5, the denominator of 5 needs to times by 3, and the numerator also needs to times by 3. For the second fraction, the denominator is already 15, so we would times this by 1 and the numerator by 1. Now we can rewrite it like this. 8 times 3 is 24. 5 times 3, 15, minus 2 over 15. Since now the denominator is the same, we simply take 24 minus 2, and that gives us 22 over 15. And that's our answer. Here is another example. We will find the common denominator of 4 and 20. Again, we'll go ahead and write out the sequence of numbers. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 5 is 20. And for 20, we have 20 times 1 is 20, 20 times 2 is 40. But wait, we already found the common denominator. So now we need to make the common denominator 20 for both fractions. So the first one, we will times by 5 to get to 20, and the numerator by 5 as well. And for the second fraction, it's already 20, so we just need to times by 1. And to rewrite this, we will have 45 over 20 minus 4 over 20. And taking 45 minus 4, we will have 41 over 20. And we can also rewrite this as a mixed number of 2 and 1 over 20. And that's our answer. Thank you for watching.